Operation Green Hunt is in full swing in Jharkhand, but Naxals have been battling it out for months and years, armed with all the latest weapons. The question now is, where does all the money actually come from to buy these sophisticated weapons? Because these aren't just cheap country-made weapons. These are complex pieces of machinery imported from abroad. Just how much does the CPI Maoist take in through its nationwide extortion business? A whopping 2,000 crore rupees. That's how much, most of which is fueled by a flourishing drug trade. Naxals in Jharkhand have taken a leaf out of the Taliban book. They are now into opium cultivation in dense forested areas. Naxals provide protection to opium cultivators in return for a juicy cut. Headlines today's Rohit Singh travelled deep into the Red Corridor in Jharkhand, where Naxals have a license to loot. Remember, no television crew has ever ventured so deep into the very grounds that fund the Maoist machine. This is an exclusive report from Ground Zero itself. Lush poppy fields, stalks nodding with the ready Naxal cash crop. Opium is fueling the Naxal evil across Jharkhand. Headlines today decided to follow the Maoist money trail, digging deep to investigate just how far under the soil their huge cash reserves run.
It is not without reasons that the Naxals are now seeing opium cultivation as their major source of revenue. Prices of heroin in the international market is a whopping 1 crore per kg, and that increases the income of the Naxals manyfold.
Cultivators are trained by Maoists to refine and package the psychotropic drugs.
देखिए, अब सुदूरवर्ती अब गांव ग्रामीण इलाका में जो अफीम की खेती या कोई भी कारोबार होता है, तो हमको तो लगता है कि माओवादी का संरक्षण है और उन्हीं के द्वारा, उन्हीं के लोगों के द्वारा ग्रामीणों को ऐसा सिखलाया गया है। ये सारी जानकारी हमको लगता है उन्हीं लोगों के एक्सपर्ट द्वारा दिया गया है, ताकि उसे तो ज्यादा पैसा आता है, धन संग्रह ज्यादा होता है।
Naxals operate here openly without any trace of fear.
लेकिन अफीम की खेती नया है। अभी 2-4 सालों से ही ये नया अफीम की खेती आया है। जहाँ तक बात है, हम लोग की जानकारी में आई है, तो ये कुछ विदेशी लोग हैं जो इसको बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, अफीम की खेती को। और कुछ छोटे स्तर के जो संगठन नए नए पैदा हुए हैं, वो संगठन का हाथ है उसको बढ़ाने में। वो लोग उसे लेवी लेते हैं, लेवी लेकर के उसको संरक्षण देते हैं।
Local heroin traders buy the opium from the farmers who find it profitable but have to pay a cut of 10 to 20% to the rebels. At places where Naxals are not directly involved in the illicit cultivation, they charge money for providing protection.
एक सरकार द्वारा चलाया जा रहा था नरेगा का काम, उसमें हम लोग काम किए, 10-12 दिन काम भी किए, पैसा तो कब तक हम लोग अपने बच्चे को, भविष्य को बर्बाद कर दे हम लोग। तो कोई लोग आकर के हम लोग से साठगांठ किया और कुछ पैसा दिया कि तुम लोग ऐसा काम करो तो तुम लोग को पूंजीपति आदमी हो जाओगे, तो 1 किलो में 15,000, 17,000, 20,000 रुपये मिल जाता है। तो हमको हमारा कुछ पैसा उसमें लगा नहीं, सिर्फ 3-4 महीने का मेहनत लगता है उसमें। खाना पीना लोग खाता है, खाते पीते हैं, हाथ में।
ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो पोस्ते की खेती जो कर रहे हैं या करवा रहे हैं, उनसे नक्सली लेवी लेते हो।
Kekergarh, Lavabag and Jaribag in Palamu, Balaumath and Chandwa in Latehar and areas in Chhatra have turned into hotbeds of opium cultivation.
Information is that some parts of Chhatra, maybe, and even some bordering areas of Latehar, there is opium trade going on, but the police headquarters and the National Narcotics Control Bureau is very serious over that.
Opium cultivation has spread to nearly 300 to 350 villages in Jharkhand. The area covers around 18,000 to 20,000 acres. Police officials believe that the value of poppy cultivation and opium trade in these two districts alone stands at around 1,000 crore every season. It is a huge amount of money considering that a season usually lasts from December to May. The opium trade fuels the Taliban's war against NATO forces in Afghanistan. If the opium trade is not nipped in the bud in Jharkhand now, the Reds could transform into India's Taliban.
Naxals' involvement in the opium cultivation clearly indicates that they are becoming more and more innovative with each passing day. and expanding their business interests to keep their movement alive. They have thrown an open challenge to the government of India. The question now is, can the government really take on the Naxals? With camera person Nadeem Alam, this is Rohit Singh in Latehar for Headlines Today.